Hello, in this tutorial we will learn conditional statement, how we use them. So we will take a very simple scenario. First we have declared some variables with number data type, number, default. We have assigned a default value from here. I will set value to 10. Okay. Now I will use conditional statement called if statement. Yes, if. Now we have to configure property. First of all, we have to choose the condition. From drag down, we have a multiple condition available related to different scenarios like application. In application, we will check whether the application is running or not. In Boolean, we will check true, false, 1, 0. Data table is used for tables. Date time is used for dates. Dictionary, files. File can be used in file systems. Folders. Then image recognition, we can also in conditions, JavaScript, legacy automation, list, number. Here we will use number for just a simple scenario to understand the concept of conditions. So I am using number condition, source value. We also initialize our source value called num. Yes, then insert. Then we have different operator available: equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or less than equal to. We can use any one of them. So first I will use less than. So our default value is 10 and our operator is less than 10. 10 is less than 100. If 10 is less than 100, then our condition will true and we will do further task according to this condition. If our condition have several more conditions, then we can add more conditions. Simply I will select again a number. After number, source number is same in our case. Minum, yes, insert. So again I will use so here I will use greater than, and target value is 0. So what I do, first of all I will select a source number which is 10 and then check whether 10 is less than 100. Then we use AND operator. AND means both the condition will be true, then our final decision will be true or false. So if both condition is true, then our condition will be true and move forward. If one of them is false, then our condition will be false. So we know our value is 10. So 10 is less than 100, yes. And again number condition, 10 is greater than 0, yes. So we can print a message here. If a condition is true, then simply I will display a message that number detail number is less than 100 and greater than 0. Okay, if our number is between 0 to 100, then this message will be displayed. So again, yes, if our number is not in this range, then we will use another condition. If inside, if we will use else if condition. Else if condition. In else if condition, I will specify again condition on number basis. Source value is same. My_num, yes, insert. If my_num is less than 0, then I will simply here I will use just one single condition. If our value is less than 0, then I simply put a message that simply put a message that so if our number is less than 0, then this condition will be true and will display a message with detail of number is less than 0. If our number is greater than 0 or less than 100, and if our number is less than 0, then we display a message that the number is less than 100. What if our number is equal to 0? For this case, we will use again if statement. Yes, again if statement with condition type number. Source is my_num. Yes, insert. If our number is, let's suppose we will define ranges. The first if range is between 0 to 100, and the second is below 0, and the third I will set that if the number is greater than 99, means the given number is greater than 99. There is no maximum limit. So I will display a message. So I will display a message box with detail of number detail. Enter a message. Number is greater than 100. Number is greater than equal to 100. Equal to greater than or equal to 100. So we cover 0 to 100, number between 0 to 100, and above 100, below 0, just one number is remaining, that is 0. For the last case, we will just use the else statement. The else statement, yes, else statement. Else statement doesn't require any condition. If these three cases are false, then automatically this case will run. We will display a message box. Number detail. So number is 0. So by default we will set our number to 10. As you can see, default value is 10, so 10 lies between the first condition. If we check, let's run. Downloading dependencies. Now the board run and number is less than 100 and greater than 0, which lies in the first range. Let's change the number. Let's change the number. We can also edit our number. Let's put 1000 here. Okay, and run. Notifying device, download dependencies. Then number is greater than or equal to 100, of course. Now I will again run number with default value 0. Let's see what's happening in the else case. Run. Deploying the code. Notifying device. Yes, number is 0. So all conditions satisfies. So in this tutorial we will learn the condition, how we use if statement, else if, and else. Thank you very much for listening.